How's it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Well, if you love playing games or you really want to improve the gaming performance in your Samsung device, then I guess you're watching the perfect video. For that being said, in today's video, let's talk about some brand new game plugins that will essentially improve the gaming performance in your Samsung device. So make sure you guys watch this video till the very end. Also, the likes target for this video is 1000 likes. I know you guys will do it. So drop a like and let's get started. Alright guys, before I start this video, I just wanted to give a huge shout out to one of our subscriber whose name is Ayush. He has sent us an email suggesting us to make a video on this topic. So guys, first thing you need to do is head over to your Galaxy store and search for game plugins. Well, for your reference, I will also leave a direct link in the description. So if you want, you can download it directly from there itself. After installing this application, if you open the app, you will have this interface where you need to download 3 different modules separately. I will cover all the plugins in this video, so make sure you watch it till the very end. So the first module that I'm going to talk about is Game Booster Plus. What it does is, basically it allows you to customize the gaming performance for each and every game that you have installed in your device. For example, if I want to modify the performance of Call of Duty in my device, I just need to tap on this equalizer button and now I can set any mode for this game based on my preferences. Well, there are different modes like battery saving mode, which will save you a lot of battery even while playing the game. There is also a balance mode, and if you want, you can also set maximum FPS, which will give you maximum frames per rate while playing this game. And guys, if you really want to have the best performance, then I will suggest you to set it as high quality. This mode will essentially provide you the best experience while playing any games in your Samsung device. You also get this custom mode where you can customize each and every elements like changing the performance mode, adjusting the graphics quality, and even you can change the FPS as per your need. So this is how this game module works, and it really helps you to take your gaming performance to the next level. Alright guys, next up we have Performance Z. Basically, this module enables a small FPS counter while playing any games on your phone. So if you really want to have a check on how many FPS your game is playing, or you want to check your CPU or GPU performance while playing any games like PUBG or Call of Duty in your device, then you can enable this module. Again, a very useful module, and if you want to test your gaming performance, then you can enable this one. Next up we have Daily Limits. As the name suggests, it is like a part of digital well-being which helps you to set a daily limit for each and every game that you play in a day. For example, if I am playing Call of Duty a lot in my device and I really want to reduce my addiction for this game, what I will do is, I will set a time limit for this game like 60 minutes in a day. So what it does is, it only lets you play the game for 60 minutes in a day, and after that, it will give me a reminder that I have already crossed my daily limit. Overall, it's a very productive module, which also a must have for all the gamers out there. So that's pretty much it guys. All these modules are super useful and it will definitely enhance your gaming performance. So if you love playing games in your Samsung device, then definitely try out this game plugins. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.